Which drone with a camera is actually worth your time? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the right answer. Today, I'm breaking down the top 5 options that'll elevate your photography game.
Product number 1, DJI Mini 4K. This little powerhouse caught my attention with its impressive features and price point of $229. If you want high-quality aerial shots without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. The Mini 4K offers a stunning 4K UHD camera that can capture crystal clear imagery even during those magical sunrise or sunset moments. Plus, with 31 minutes of flight time per battery, you'll have plenty of time to get all those shots without anxiety about running out of power. The 10-kilometer video transmission means you can fly far and still see what your drone is capturing in real time. And the 3-axis gimbal ensures your footage is stable even in windy conditions. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Whether you're filming a family event or capturing breathtaking landscapes, this drone will deliver quality that makes your photos and videos pop. Now, some people complained about the DJI Fly app being hard to get if you're on Google Play. Here's the thing though, most users find it worth the effort for the performance you get. If a bit of tech hassle doesn't scare you away, this drone will impress. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-use drone that won't break the bank. Skip this one if you require extensive feature sets for professional use. At $229, it offers fantastic value for the quality you receive. Now, if the app issue with the Mini 4K bothered you, the next one might be even better for tech-savvy users who want advanced features.
Product number 2, Potensic Atom 2. The Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo, priced at $493.99. This drone really stood out to me with its high-end specs and features designed for serious photographers. If you're looking for a versatile drone that can handle any shooting scenario, this is one to consider. With an impressive 8K photo capability and 4K HDR video, this drone can deliver incredible clarity and detail in your shots. The built-in 5.5-inch touchscreen remote control is a game-changer, allowing you to see exactly what your camera sees without the need for your phone. Plus, the 96 minutes of total flight time with multiple batteries means you can shoot for longer without interruption. Here's why this matters. If you're out on location, you'll appreciate the ability to capture all those fleeting moments without worrying about battery life. However, some users mentioned that the setup can be a bit complicated for beginners. Now, some people might find that daunting, but if you're willing to invest some time into learning, the image quality and features you get are definitely worth it. This is perfect for you if you're serious about aerial photography and want top-notch features. Skip this one if you're looking for something simple and user-friendly. Given what it offers, the price is justified for dedicated creators. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list takes a completely different approach in terms of affordability and ease of use. Product number 3, Arc GPS Drone. The Arc GPS drone comes in at $139.99 and offers a lot for its price. I was honestly impressed with what you can get for under $150. If you're on a budget but still want to capture quality aerial shots, this is worth a look. This drone features a 1080p camera that delivers decent footage for casual use, and with its GPS capabilities, you can rely on it to return home safely, even if you lose connection. The 4.5-inch LCD screen on the controller ensures you can see what you're filming in real time, making it easier to frame your shots just right. This is especially important for vlogging or capturing dynamic events where every angle counts. Plus, with a control range of 400 meters, you'll be able to explore relatively far without losing signal. However, some reviews pointed out that the image quality isn't as sharp as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, if you're a beginner or just want something for casual photography, this shouldn't be a deal-breaker. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out and want something user-friendly without spending too much. Skip this one if you need high-resolution imagery for professional work. At this price, it's a great entry-level option. Now, if you want something with even more features, the next drone on my list has a lot to offer.
Product number 4, Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is priced at $249.99 and claims to pack a punch with its versatile features. What caught my eye was its balance between affordability and functionality. If you want something that's beginner-friendly but still powerful, consider this. With a 4K EIS camera and 93 minutes of flight time thanks to its 3 batteries, this drone can handle most photography needs. The ability to shoot stable video with minimal shake is a huge benefit when you want those professional-looking shots. Plus, it has multiple flight modes that allow you to experiment and improve your skills as a pilot. This is great if you're looking to grow in your hobby or profession. The PickSync technology also promises a control range of up to 4 kilometers, ensuring you can film from a distance with confidence. But some users reported that the drone can be a bit tricky to control at higher speeds. Now, some people might find that frustrating, especially if you're just starting. However, once you get used to it, the rewards in terms of quality footage can be significant. This is perfect for you if you want a drone that's a bit more advanced but still accessible. Skip this one if you're looking for something that's completely foolproof. For the features it offers, the price is reasonable. Now, if you need something extra simple for quick captures, the last product might just be what you're looking for.
Product number 5, Trenton Tech GPS Drone. We have the Trenton Tech GPS Drone, also priced at $139.99. This one caught my eye mainly for its simplicity and ease of use. If you're looking for a no-fuss drone that still delivers decent performance, this is a solid choice. With a built-in 4.5 HD LCD screen, you don't need to mess around with phone connections, which is a huge plus for many users. It captures Ultra HD videos and photos, making it a decent option for casual photography. The auto return feature ensures you won't lose your drone, which is especially reassuring for beginners. Plus, the Follow Me mode allows the drone to track your movements, making it great for dynamic shots without needing a second person. However, there were some comments about the camera quality being average compared to others. Here's the thing though, if you're not a professional and just want some fun footage, this drone will serve its purpose just fine. This is perfect for you if you're after simplicity and ease of use. Skip this one if you need high-end features or advanced image quality. Overall, it's a great starter drone for the casual user.
We covered the DJI Mini 4K, Potensic Atom 2, Karui Sarsi GPS drone, Potensic ATM SE, and the Trenton Tech GPS drone. Each has its strengths, whether you're a beginner, a serious photographer, or just want something simple. Whatever your needs, there's a drone here for you.